Good morning everyone. Today I present the Sri Lankan luxury brand Ispa Ceylon. Let me start with a simple questions. What if you can relax like a king or queen every day? Ispa Ceylon give that kind of experience. A Sri Lankan traditional and modern wellness combined करला luxury आयुर्वेदिक lifestyle का लगा दो. अब ये बड़ो brand और गया. Ispa Ceylon is a luxury Ayurvedic wellness brand. A skin care, body care, spa product provide करना. It satisfies customer needs like relaxation, beauty and self care. Customers का needs अंदर तो feel full करना. अब ये बनो मेरे को लगे mission नहीं है. The main concept is royal wellness experience. They use natural ingredients use करना. ये बाकी they promote Sri Lankan heritage, Sri Lankan culture, Sri Lankan heritage को promote करना. They help reduce the stress and support the healthy lifestyle. यार reduce करला health lifestyle लेकर देखो help कर. बाकी में found the company. The Ispa Ceylon started in 2009 in Sri Lanka. Founders in Shehan Balasubramanian. Their idea was to begin Ayurveda into luxury level. यार लगे concept के लिए आयुर्वेदिक की concept एक luxury level लेकर गए ने तमाम ये बोला कि idea है. Now I talk about why the brand is started. Ispa Ceylon it start is Ayurvedic impression. Ayurvedic impression ने सामने तमाम में कि start. The goal is to take Sri Lankan wellness to the global market. Sri Lankan wellness की concept एक तमाम में को global market एक अराई आता है. It helps slow stress and unhealthy lifestyle problems. स्ट्रेस से कहा अनहेल्थ लाइफस्टाइल में स्लो करता मैं मेरे को लोग ट्राई कर. अब हम बोलो फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस से क्या निकला. Ispa Ceylon is a growing brand का is earn goods revenue and expense global good income में करना इंटरनेशनल वगैरह में श्रीलंकन लेवल में मेरे को गुड इनकम में आते हैं. अभी हम बोलो टारगेट मार्केट है. Target market current main customer is high income customers. It's like tourism and Sri Lankan high income customers, wellness lovers, natural luxury product पर कैमेथिया target कर तो मैं मेरे लोग की target market लेके बैठे. Look at the marketing mix from Ispa Ceylon. Ispa Ceylon use करना तो 4 features के नाम पता किधर पर मैं brand के marketing mix से strong में use करना. First is product. Ispa Ceylon offers a wide range of Ayurvedic products such as skin care, body care and hair care and spa items. Skin care, body care क्या ना ये හැමදේම यार product තියෙනවා ඒගොල්ලෝ. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඒ වගේම natural and herbal ingredients use කරනවා. Chemical free, skin friendly product use කරනවා. ඒ වගේම තමයි unique royal packaging එක. luxury look එකක් තියෙන package එකක් ඒගොල්ලෝ use කරනවා. ඒවා gift pack, seasonal collections, high quality premium standard එකක් ඒගොල්ලෝ කරනවා. Customers ලා මේ Ispa Ceylon luxury and natural experience එක ලබනවා. Now about the price. The Ispa Ceylon use a premium pricing strategy. Premium price पर strategy को use करना. ये वाले बताना high price the normal brands. Refills quality and luxury experience. Target high income customers. यार target कराने high income में तीन customers. एक बोल लोगे value of money, quality and experience से किन में देखना हम combine कर रहा हूँ एक बोल लो price से तीन नहीं करा. Discount and offers the मेरे को product. अभी high price and strong brands image and luxury awareness. One of the main place है. Products are available in premium location. Products mainly luxury price पर sell करना. ये वक्त ना mainly outlets पर ये tourism attraction place पर था मेरे लिए products देखा ये. हम तो मैं यार products sell करना spa centers, hotel, international market, Asia, Middle East, Europe पर country पर ये बोला कि प्रोडक्ट एक सेल करो. ये वाली ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म वाला तो एक बोलो सेल करो. अब जब बोलूँ मैं Ispa Ceylon के शॉपिंग एक्सपीरियंस है पुणे कस्टमर्स का वेनम लेवल लेगा मेरे के लेवल. अब जब बोलूँ मेरा के प्रमोशन क्या Ispa Ceylon यूज क्रिएटिव प्रमोशन स्ट्रेटजीज क्रिएटिव मार्केटिंग मेथड्स में आना यूज करो. सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग लाइक Instagram and Facebook. इसको Sri Lankan integrated brand eye-catching branding, tourism promotion, influence views. मैंने देवलता में बोल रहा हूँ कि ब्रांड में यार प्रमोट करा. तो मैं यार प्रोडक्ट सेल करना स्पा सेंटर्स, होटल, इंटरनेशनल मार्केट, आसिया, मिडिल ईस्ट, यूरोप කෝපාන කන්ට්‍රි වල ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ ප්‍රොඩක්ට් එක සෙල් කරනවා. ඒ වගේම ඔන්ලයින් ප්ලැට්ෆෝම් වල මේක ඒගොල්ලෝ සෙල් කරනවා. අපි දැන් බලමු මේ ස්පා සිලෝටෙන් shopping experience එකක් නෙවෙයි කස්ටමර්ස්ලට වෙනම ලෙවල් එකක් මේකෙන් ලැබෙනවා. අපි දැන් බලමු මෙයාලගේ ප්‍රොමෝෂන් එක. ස්පා සිලෝන් use creative promotion strategies. Creative marketing methods මෙයාලා use කරනවා. Social media marketing like Instagram and Facebook. Strong Sri Lankan integrated branding, eye-catching branding, tourism promotion, influence views. But develop මේගොල්ලෝගේ brand එක මෙයාලා promote කරා. Now talk about the controversy and criticisms. First one is high price, not affordable of everyone. High price එක හැමෝටම සාධාරණ නැහැ. Limited accessibility and rural markets. So third one is silent criticism of luxury positions. This impact is affects customer certifications for low income groups. The response is expanding stores globally, store branding in maintain premium images. Solutions. The main issue is the high price. මෙයාලගේ main problem එක තමයි high price එක. So not everyone can afford it. ඒ නිසා මේ high price එකක් ඉන්න මෙයාලගේ brand හැමෝටම ගන්න බෑ. But this helps maintain a premium image. ඒකේ brand image එක strong. ඉතින් finally කියන්න තියෙන්නේ Spa Ceylon is not just product. ඒ product එකක් විතරක්ම නෙවෙයි. It is a lifestyle experience එකක් කියලා. Okay, thank you everyone.